Spectrum Filaments, being one of the biggest manufacturers of 3D printing filaments in Europe, is constantly looking for new materials, new compounds and new colors to fill market demand. So, we are proud to announce our newest find that will revolutionize the 3D printing and DIY scene. Ladies and gentlemen, a world's first PPR. It is one of the most complicated combinations we have ever came across, but we made it. It is a special filament because you can only print it with a nozzle temperature of exactly 200 degrees Celsius. Not more, not less. As you can see here, it is very easy to print, even on a bed slinger. No warping, no stringing, just a perfect first layer. Okay, but what is the PPR? It is a special mixture of white pigment which does not contain titanium dioxide, 100% recycled paper and office waste from shredders. Yes, you heard me right. PPR stands for paper plastic recycled. For the best first layer adhesion, I suggest using a paper glue stick because it works the best. We offer it in two colors: delivery cardboard and office white. What are the benefits of using PPR? It is highly biodegradable, so be careful with water because it can damage the print very fast, just like any other paper. The result? No more microplastics. If your print fails, you can just toss it in the garden or use it as a fire starter for your summer barbecue. Even if you print a sailing boat from PPR, you will need to remember that it is highly flammable. So please be careful. It's extremely light and it doesn't foam, so you can print airplanes and the parts that needs to be super light. You can print boxes for shipping that will be more durable than paper, but still as cheap as cardboard. And they will be reusable. It has a natural matte finish due to the high amount of fibers. It's eco-friendly and printing with it smells like a library on fire. PPR offers more durability than simple paper, so any cards or pages that you want to write on will be safer for longer use. HB pencils, blue pens, highlighters, anything works on our PPR filament. It's even easy to cut with scissors if you want to do some post-processing. You can grab our newest PPR filament with 15% discount using code 1STApril. I wish you happy printing!